Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crime.
Hey, 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 this is Burton Gang. We back in the building. Okay, so in this video, we is going to do a little bitty garden. We're going to do a little bitty jiffy garden or whatever. So you will basically see it, the jiffy garden and stuff like that. You will basically see it on the little paper I'll show you. But look, welcome home, Mommy. Y'all haven't saw her, but she been here for quite some time. Hey, hey. Say hey. That's our baby. Yep, y'all know she gonna be loved and everything. This is Burton Gang. Yeah. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do the Jiffy self-watering garden. No, greenhouse kit. Jiffy self-watering greenhouse kit. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I was reading. Okay, so this next clip, y'all gonna see me get it. Okay, y'all, this is our first time using this, so I wanted to try it. This is our first time using this, okay? I already got my jug of water over here, and these supposed to expand. Okay, so we can do 70 pellets, okay? It's self-watering greenhouse kit. So, yeah, and so look, this is where we're going. We're going to grow some lettuce, and we're going to grow some other kind of lettuce, salad bowl, okay, and we're gonna grow some spinach, we're gonna grow some parsley, cilantro, sweet basil, lavender, Swiss chard, pig chaw, whatever how they pronounce it. Pak choy, some pak choy, okay, and rainbow mix Swiss chard. So yeah, that's what we basically growing inside here. So with that being said, I'm gonna put these this garden stuff to the side so we can go and get started. Got that right there. Like I said, you can do 70 pellets. So we basically gonna mix it up and do it. Okay, so there it goes right here. It's self-watering and got its own tray and everything. So let's pick this up. As you can see, let me flip it over. This is the top gonna be like a little dome. This is gonna be like a little dome so it can germinate and start growing the seed. You see, it say Jiffy, but it's upside down. I got it upside down. So anyway, we're finna get this started. Guys, I'm right over here in the corner, right here. It got its watering mat. And you see right there, say add water here. And you see the little bitty pellets right here. This is going to expand. This is going to expand to damn near 7 times, as you see right here on the paper. Right here, guys. Everything you see right here is basically what we're going to be doing. Let me move this to the side. All right, guys, here we go. Perfect. As you see, we're getting all the way across it. It's perfect, guys. And if you're wondering what this is y'all big bro toolbox. So yes, guys, you watered all the way across. Perfect. And then you let it sit so it can blow up. So yeah, let's just play the waiting game. Look, guys, it is swelling. Look, they all swelling. To be honest, look, guys, remember the little bitty pellet I just showed y'all? Look at it. It is swelling, guys. You see it? Yeah. I can't believe it. Like I said, it's our first time using this. Yeah, look at it. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm witnessing this with my own 2 eyes, guys. Y'all witnessing it too. Okay, guys. Look. It blew up some more. Look at it. First time doing this. Some of them need a little more water. Definitely. This is beautiful. Okay, guys. I'm just going to use this little tool to just make sure the holes are open. Just like that. Got y'all big bro in the background working. So, yeah, just like that. So I'm going to do this all the way across. Just to make sure they open. All right. And I'm going to do it all the way across. Okay, guys. So I went on ahead and put the seeds in here. As you can see, I put it in each hole. I had covered this up already. If you can. And they all different seeds. See, there you go. You can see it now. There you go. See, guys? They are all different. All different seeds. Okay. Yeah, and as you can see, they all different seeds. So, I showed y'all a close-up. So, with that being said, I'm just going to close it off like I did this. I'm just going to demonstrate and just show you. All you need is a finger. And you get it. You just close it up. Pat it down. Just like that, guys. Let me show you again. I'm going to use this one. Use your finger. And just close up your hole. Just like that. Show you one more time. Use one finger. And just close it up. One finger. Close it up. Okay, and I'm going to do this all the way across, guys. Okay, guys, so okay, I had to pause the TV. So I filled all the holes up, all 70, as you can see. Filled them all up. Okay, guys, so after we finish with this, you want to add some more water in here. So that way it'll keep, it's a mat under here. Remember I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. So it's a mat under here. And you want to make sure the mat is moist. So that way it could be self-watering it. And after you do all that, you put the dome on top and stuff like that. And you just set it and forget it. So yeah, we will keep you updated. Okay, guys. So as you see, we covered up our little dome. We covered up the dome. We covered up the Jiffy dome. So now we just sit and wait. Yes, you guys. We got it on. We got it on the heating mat, and we put more water in there right here on this corner. Yep. And this the heating mat right here, guys. This the heating mat. We got some other stuff up here growing. If you know, you know. Yep, if you know, you know. All right, guys.
Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton. gang. We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.